Hi everybody, today I will show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. So there are two ways to do this and I will show you both. The first way is through settings. Tap on three-dotted icon in the top right on your WhatsApp, go to settings, click on privacy, scroll down and tap contacts. Now here you will see blocked account section. Click on it. Now click on the account that you want to unblock. Once you click on that account, it will show a pop-up saying unblock that account. Click on unblock and that person will instantly be removed from the blocked list and they'll be unblocked. Now, the second way is directly from their chat. Go to your chat list, find the blocked contact, tap on their name at the top. It will open up their contact info page where you can scroll down at the bottom and click the unblock button. That person will be instantly removed from your block list. Now, once you unblock someone, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Any messages they sent you while they were blocked won't be delivered. Those are gone permanently. But from the moment you unblock them, they can message and call you again as normal. And if you change your mind and want to block them again, just follow the same steps we covered and block them again from their contact info or through the blocked contact list. So that's how you unblock someone on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.